Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, we are going to walk you through the simple process of installing Jupyter Notebook on your computer. So whether you are a student, if you are a researcher or data scientist, Jupyter Notebook is an essential tool for interactive coding and data visualization. So let's start. So the first step in installing Jupyter Notebook on your computer is installing a Python. So if Python is already installed on your computer, then you can check like this: search for CMD or command prompt, run it as an administrator, and just type Python. So over here you can see the Python is already installed on my computer and the version is Python 3.10.0. So there is no need to install Python on my computer. So if Python is not installed on your computer, then you can go to the official website of Python. Just type Python. So this is the site. Click on this site python.org. Now go to the download section and go to the all releases, and over here you can see the latest version of Python is 3.13.0. So you can choose the version as per your choice. Now install the Python on your computer. After installing Python on your computer, the second step that we need is you must have you must have pip installed on your computer. So to check whether the pip is installed or not on your computer, just type pip hyphen hyphen version and press enter. And over here you can see the pip 14.0 version is already installed on my computer. So no need to install Python and pip in my case. So the next step in installing a Jupyter Notebook on your computer, you need to type a command pip install Jupyter. So check a spelling once and press enter. So once you press enter, you can see a Jupyter Notebook is going to install on your computer. Once it is installed, you can check whether the Jupyter Notebook is installed on your computer or not. So you need to just type a command Jupyter Notebook, then press enter. So once you press enter, it will open your browser where it will install or where it will run a Jupyter on your browser side. So over here you can see Jupyter Notebook is successfully installed on my computer. Now go to the file menu and let's check the installation. Then click on new and select here notebook. Now once you click on that options, over here you can see I have installed and I have opened Jupyter Notebook on my browser. So let's type a basic command to check installation. So I'm typing the command print hello world and just run it. So here you can see the option run. So click over here and over here you can see the hello word is printed in our Jupyter Notebook. So in this way, we can install Jupyter Notebook on your computer. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.